G'day folks, Steve from Vintage Restorations Australia here. In today's episode, Warwick and I head out to the bush to recover a Series 1 107 ute that's going to be the donor vehicle for my 107 Station Wagon restoration project. So Warwick and I are conjuring a bit of a deal. Warwick needs an 86 wreck to build his 86. And I need a 107 wreck to build my 107. So we might come together. But anyway, we're in the car, off to have a look at 107, which is out in the bush. We're going to retrieve that and bring it back here. Isn't that right, Warwick?
Yep, that's it.
Deep in the forest, as always, Warwick.
In its natural habitat.
So we've come out to get this little 107. Essentially the reason I want this one is because it's got a good chassis and firewall and the original motor still in it, the 2-litre motor. This will form a great basis for my 107 Station Wagon project. All of those bits are actually missing from that car. Well, they're not missing, but they're pretty much cactus. So the plan is to put these two cars together, build one good one and get it back on the road.
Bit of damage on the dumb arms at the front, but yeah, she's a reasonably rust free. It's more brakes and rust.
Yeah.
And original donk.
2-litre.
2-litre.
Turns over.
Yes. Well, that's the water pump doesn't, but the actual engine does. You have to get
Flare
down there
up.
and won't drop that.
What happened over here?
Ah,
Bit melted.
She turns over if you want to. Hey, look at that.
Oh, look at that, all the hard work done.
So yeah, apparently the blokes missed it, had a bit of a garden fire and the whole tyre caught fire.
Bumper up she went.
Up she went. She's lucky she didn't burn right out. But
Oh, she's a cracking old truck.
yeah, see the firewall's got very little rust in it. She's pretty solid.
It's better than the one on the Station Wagon, mate. Wouldn't be
Yeah.
hard, would it?
It's pretty genuine, sort of original sort of vehicle there.
You sound like an auctioneer. That's not a bad wheel. Got one seat.
Yeah, I pinched the other seat backs for me 80-inch.
Of course you did. Oh, we can get some seats.
Original capping on the thing and original headboard in the tray.
It's quite a beautiful tray, actually, isn't it? It'd be lovely garden art.
Yeah, garden art. That's why I tried to get my missus thing for garden art, but I think if I swap you over, because there's good chassis, she's pretty solid in the back end here, except for even the cross member on the back is a bit dented. But you know, generally rust-wise, she's not a bad truck.
Anyway, we should try get her on the trailer, eh?
Use the old Armstrong steering.
So we've come all this way to grab this little 107. Unfortunately, we can't get it on the trailer because someone forgot to get the winch handle and bring it with us. Anyway, Warwick's just ducked off up this road here and he'll be back with the tractor in a minute. And then we'll get the ute on the trailer. Here comes the backup plan. There we go, all tied on. What do you reckon? Ready to rock and roll.
Ready to do 100 kilometres an hour faster than it's ever been before.
Warp speed for a Land Rover, isn't it? 80 k's an hour. Shame to take her out of here. It's a lovely spot. We might lose a bit of that tray on the way home, I suspect. Good thing it's pretty much dirt all the way. We'll shake the webs out of her. You might have to pull forward so I can actually get in the car, Warwick. Let's go. Keep going, straight if you can. You got about, oh, you're taking the paint off, that's all right. Go this way now.
Precision driving.
I know. Hang on.
I think we're going to go the other way.
Yep. You're going to hit the 86 now.
Yeah, I don't want to do that.
No, it's yours now, mate. You own it. Big thank you to Stu Brearley this week, our #1 patron. He got a promotion and he's now a workshop manager. Also, Jeff Jones and Roman Allo signed on as workshop managers, so they're up there on the workshop wall of fame. Also, a big thanks to Nico Wilson, who signed us on as an apprentice restorer. We appreciate that support. So thank you, all of our patrons. Go and check out our patron page. There's lots of other stuff over there worth having a look. Or if you'd like, you could make a donation via PayPal. Thanks to those people who made donations this week. We do appreciate that support. So next week's video, we'll be looking at how we finished up this little project. We put the canvas on, make the hoops and things from scratch, fix up a few little problems that we had, and we finally get this registered and rolling down the road legally. So tune in for that. We'll have some fun. If you haven't subscribed, please do. We'd appreciate that. If you haven't hit like, please do. We'd appreciate that. So I guess that's it for the week, folks. Take care of yourselves and look after each other if you can. See ya.